So lately I've been seeing this more and more often with the Subaru Outbacks and Foresters. The rear hatch. It's open, won't shut. Easiest cure for this. Just take the negative terminal off for a little bit. Leave it for a few minutes, we'll come right back. All right, let's get that negative terminal back on. Tighten it down, let's see what happens. There we are. I don't know if it's just communication failure with that module or what, but just do a little hard reset. See, it's shut now. Do a hard reset on the battery, clears everything up, works immediately. Hope that helps.